Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to do our second chapter on syntax. Remember from the previous chapter that syntax is supposed to deal with word order. So we put words together to form sentences to express ideas. All right. We will start this chapter with one new approach to syntax, to word order, if you like, and that is the phrase structure approach. Now, this phrase structure approach is associated with a school that we call generative grammar, generative transformational grammar. Inshallah, today I will introduce these to you. But this approach is very basic in these schools. And usually we associate phrase structure with Noam Chomsky. It appeared in the late 50s. So what is a phrase structure? What is phrase structure? Well, it is the internal organization of an expression. It is the constituents. Remember the constituents that we dealt with in the previous chapter? Well, it is the constituents within a phrase, how these constituents are organized within a phrase. So a phrase structure is usually represented in one of two forms, either in the form of a tree diagram or in the form of labeled brackets. So you put the constituents between brackets and you label each bracket. Well, let's take an example and use it throughout our discussion of phrase structures. Bill will meet his elder brother at the bus station. See, this sentence can be divided into two immediate constituents. Bill in one, and will meet his elder brother at the bus station in the other. Bill being the noun phrase, and will meet his elder brother at the bus station being the verb phrase. So this sentence can, if you like, if you want to represent it using phrase structure rules, then you could say S for sentence rewrites as equal to, if you like, noun phrase plus verb phrase. Now, the first constituent, the noun phrase, but in this particular sentence, it consists of only one word, and that is Bill. But it could consist of more than one word. You could say the boy, you could say the big fat boy, the big fat boy who came from Ireland, whatever. So you can modify this noun in lots of different ways. Anyway, in this particular sentence, Bill is the only constituent in the noun phrase. Now, it does not need any more analysis. However, the second immediate constituent, and that is the verb phrase, will meet his elder brother at the bus station. This consists of lots of words, and we can divide it into immediate constituents. We can divide it into will meet as one constituent, his elder brother as a second constituent, and then at the bus station as the third constituent. You're familiar with this. The verb in one group, will meet, and then the object of the verb, his elder brother, in one group, and then the prepositional phrase, that is the location, in another constituent. So by rule, if a constituent has more than one element, then it needs to be analyzed into the constituents that make it up. So will meet, for example, this is the verb, will have to be divided into two elements, will, the modal, and meet, the verb. His elder brother is another constituent, and it consists of 3 words. So we also have to divide that into constituents. Most likely it is his plus elder plus brother. And finally, at the bus station, we can divide it into 2 immediate constituents, the preposition at plus the noun phrase bus station. And then bus station can also be divided into 2 immediate constituents, and these are the noun bus and the other noun station. This is called phrase structure analysis. So we analyze the sentence into the phrases that make it up, into the phrase constituents within it. Now, every constituent must have a head at every level. So when we say Bill, well, this is the only word in the noun phrase constituent, so it is obviously the head of the noun phrase because there is nothing else to go with it. But will meet his elder brother at the bus station. Now this group has only one head, and that is meet, because meet is the most important word that makes the attribution, that gives the information about Bill. Bill, yeah, what about him? Meet, will meet in the future. Will meet whom? Will meet his elder brother. Where? He will meet his elder brother at the bus station. So you can see that all the words in the phrase are there to modify that head. Now let's look at the bus station. At the bus station is an immediate constituent that consists of 3 words. We said that at is the preposition, and then the noun phrase bus station. So where is the head here? The head is at, is the preposition. It specifies the location. And then at where? At the station. Which station? Is the bus station. So the head of the prepositional phrase is the preposition itself. And then the noun phrase would be a modifier of the head. Now take the immediate constituent, the bus station. This is a constituent that has 2 words, 2 elements, bus and station. Which one is the head? Station. Bus is a modifier. It's just like an adjective. Which station is the bus station? This is what we call phrase structure analysis.